Okay, Vladimir, this is your document I have open. Okay, up here. I go into paragraphs because I'm kind of looking at your tabs here. That does have right tab. I see the 3.5. I don't see the 1. So I'm going to go into your paragraph dialog box. Yeah. Okay. See, you forgot the 1. So what I'm going to do is clear all, like this. I would do, here's what I would do. I would take out all these tabs. Okay. I notice too you're missing this. Okay. Go through the entire document. And clear all your tabs. You were also missing the close paren. I'll go through as if I wasn't even keying this, or putting in the tabs. Because I did mine and came up with 0 errors. Alright, just like this. Go through the whole thing, clear all these tabs. Okay, I'll do that as a start. I think most of this is good down here, but I would clear this. I would highlight it, then I would go into paragraphs, and I think it calls for what? Bring up. Bear with me as I thought I had it up. Bear with me as I bring it up here. This is 73. Next week. Okay, so it go here, click on the tabs. It calls for a 1 inch. This is what you forgot. Left, no leader, set, and a 3.25. Left, no leader, set, okay, and a 6.25. Right, set, okay. All right, so see the difference here, how you should see these right here? Was that 6.25 or 6.35? Oh, my bad, 6.5. Okay, oops, get rid of this one. This one is right. Okay, so set, okay. Alright, so see how it went to right here? You can also notice it's right over here. So if you can't see these 3 tabs, then go back in and check. Alright, now remember, just remove the tab settings. Don't remove any of the typing. Alright, and then it calls for what? State of Texas, in district. And yes, you're going to have this tab there because you have this tab stop. And then you're going to have your right tab stop. See, it stopped there, so I would take that one out. All right. Now, County of Hunt. Again, you're going to have this tab stop. All right. It's stopping at that for some reason. Oh, because we have this one. Take this one off. I messed up there with that one. So you want to make sure, and notice how I just dragged it off? Drag it off. First National Bank. Again, that little sucker just won't seem to go away. Just drag it off and it will do to the next one. If that happens, just, take it back. Alright? Okay, Royal Lane. what do we have? First National Bank. Okay, at the 3.25, you're going to want to put your closed paren. All right, National Bank, Royal Lane, closed paren. Texas, right there, don't put a space or anything. Paren. Close paren. Alright, now it calls for 2 spaces, but don't forget, you gotta put your paren here. Alright. Plaintiff, we have a 1 tab, just like that. And then you have your closed paren, just like that. Okay. See how that little dot is there? Make sure that dot is gone. Your versus is right here in the middle. We also need that with what, 2? So we go like that. Alright, take this out again. Alright, if that happens, just go here and then boop, put your closed paren in. And your summons is 6.5. Right there, you can do boop and there. There you go. It's just easy. I use my back buttons instead of, you know, James Gaffey. Okay. Paren. If we need to go up, well, take that out. Boom, boom. Your closing paren. See how it all comes nicely, flows together when you have these set, you know, versus defendant. Okay. The end. Boom. If you forget one, go back up and put it in. Okay. Simple. See how it's looking now when you don't have the show and hide? Yeah. All right. Then we go to the state of Texas. And I think this should be 1, you know, 1, 1, 1, July. You know, I think the rest of this would be okay. So it's just up here. And remember, if this is not a progress proofreading and you get it to 2 errors, move on. Alright? I'm just as bad as you guys. I like it down to 0 errors. But see how I have this up here? If that happens, just take that right tab. Just take it right off the screen. Boom. You're good. All right? Hope this works for you.